Hello, I'm Dr. Fredrick Echols, Health Commissioner for the City of St. Louis. The information that will be shared during this segment is not meant to alarm you, but ensure you have accurate information so you can make the best health decision for you and your family. As a human being, I believe in the power of humanity and compassion and desire for all City of St. Louis residents to protect their health. Recently, concerns have been raised about the SARS-CoV-2 Omicron variant, a new variant that was identified in South Africa and recently added by the Technical Advisory Group on Virus Evolution to the World Health Organization's list of variants of concern. Questions this week focused on this new variant. Jacob from zip code 63120 asked, how harmful is this new variant? Information about the Omicron variant is very limited at this time. It is not yet clear whether the variant spreads more easily from person to person compared to other variants. The number of people testing positive has risen in areas of South Africa affected by this variant, but epidemiologic studies are underway to understand if it is because of the Omicron variant or other factors. It is also not yet clear whether infection with the Omicron variant causes more severe illness compared to infections with other variants, including the Delta variant. Preliminary data suggests that there are increasing rates of hospitalization in South Africa, but this may be due to increasing overall numbers of people becoming infected rather than a result of a specific infection with the Omicron variant. Nevertheless, the genetic changes that have been reported are concerning to public health officials at the local, state, national, and international levels. Emma from zip code 63116 asked, I'm fully vaccinated and I've had my booster. Am I protected from Omicron? The global scientific community continues to share information about the Omicron variant with the United States Department of Health and Human Services and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Although available information is limited, preliminary evidence suggests that people who have previously had COVID-19 could become reinfected more easily with the Omicron variant as compared to other variants of concern. More information on this will become available in the coming days and weeks. The World Health Organization is working with technical partners to understand the potential impact of this variant on existing countermeasures, including vaccines. However, it is important to remember that getting vaccinated for COVID-19 remains critical to reducing severe disease and death, and properly wearing a face covering, social distancing, and practicing good hand hygiene are necessary to reduce your risk for becoming exposed and getting infected with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. We need everyone to do their very best to protect themselves and their families during these difficult times. Benjamin from zip code 63110 asked, what can I do to protect myself from this new variant? To protect ourselves and our loved ones from SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, and any variants of the virus, it is important that we continue the risk reduction mitigation measures we've been using throughout the pandemic. Unvaccinated individuals 5 years of age and older are encouraged to get vaccinated, and vaccinated persons who are eligible are encouraged to get boosters. We should continue properly wearing a face covering when indoors around individuals not in our household, practice social distancing, and implement proper hand hygiene practices, meaning washing your hands often with soap and water or using hand sanitizer when soap and water are not yet available. If you desire to get vaccinated but do not know where to go, please visit the City of St. Louis website at www.stlouis-mo.gov and click on the banner that reads COVID-19 information. After clicking on the banner, click on vaccine information to access a list of upcoming vaccination clinics. Also, if you need personal protective equipment and hand sanitizer, please contact a local City of St. Louis library near you to obtain a COVID-19 care kit which contains reusable face coverings, hand sanitizer, educational materials, and a reusable bag. Thank you for tuning in this week, and thank you to Jacob, Emma, and Benjamin for submitting questions. Please be sure to tune in next week for more critical public health information. I want to hear from you, St. Louis. Please send your questions to health at stlouis-mo.gov. Questions will be answered in the order they are received. If I run out of time on air, your question will be answered by return email. Be well.